Hey, this is Brent, and welcome to Brent's Crossroads. We are on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas on our ABC's cruise, and we are coming at you from Curaçao. And our first stop, we did the beach hop and turtle snorkel experience. We are at Playa Grande, where we're going down the stairs to the beach right now, where we are going to look for some sea turtles. It was really weird because there was already some people at the beach, and then, here we come in our stuff and our vests and just kind of cutting through everybody. A little bit awkward. I went out a little bit further to try to find some turtles. Found a lot of small fish. Really didn't see anything colorful or any coral or anything here. When I did pop up, I did see this bird trying to commandeer this boat. I guess, he's trying to fish too. He's just sitting on the boat. There was one turtle that I saw underneath the pier, and as you can see, the people just gather around it and will not let anybody else because the turtle is only there for them. And the other thing is there's a guy on top of the pier here that kind of chums the water to bait them over. And it's kind of unethical, but it gets them there. And once we left Playa Grande, we headed to Curaçao Beach for our beach hop part. This was a nice beach. You had these nice palapas. The water's crystal clear and beautiful, and there's this nice rock outcropping and stuff that's really fun to snorkel under. It's relaxing just sitting in the waves. Put on my mask, I'm gonna head underneath. Same thing as over there, over at Playa Grande. I didn't see a lot of colorful fish. I saw a bunch of the smaller fish. I thought I'd be able to see something more. Like here, I'm swimming into and underneath the rock outcrops, and it's just more small fish. I was really kind of disappointed. I was hoping for better views, and better fish and coral. There is some coral here at the bottom, but it's like stuff that's washed ashore. It's not like live coral. And I was disappointed because, I'd always heard about Curaçao being a good place to snorkel. And I guess next time, I'm just going to have to go to a different beach because I am willing to do that. But it was a nice, relaxing beach. If it's your first time to Curaçao, I recommend doing it just to get your feet wet with what it's like. The turtles were really cool. And it was cool going around this. Still suggested. And it's a wonderful, wonderful beach area. Yeah, it's like, there wasn't, just once again, more small fish, nothing colorful right here. And I feel like I was kind of disappointed the entire trip because I really didn't get to see any cool fish. I mean, not that the fish weren't cool. They were still cool, but they weren't like brightly colored and like really cool. I was just hoping they didn't try to eat me. All right, once we got done with our excursion, we still had quite a bit of the day left. So we decided to take a walk and head over to Willemstad. And let's say you're going to the Curaçao sign, then it's a 16-minute walk from the cruise terminal. You walk through here through the Renaissance Mall, which was built in the old Riff Fort. And this Renaissance Mall is pretty much your basic port shopping area. There's your restaurants, your souvenir shops, your jewelry shops, your alcohol shops, your basic run-of-the-mill. It's just really cool that it's in a fort. And then you get around to the back, you have your Rift Fort sign, you have some cannons. And here's like another look around the fort. Got beautiful views across to the other side of Willemstad. As you see where the other cruise port is. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know. I'm never on the cruise ship that kind of parks close to stuff. I'm always on the cruise ship that is like furthest from. And as we're looking across, there you were taking a look at the Queen Emma Bridge, which is a swinging pontoon bridge that moves laterally to open up whenever ships go through. And here we are stepping foot on it. I really wish we could have been here late enough to see this lit up at night, because at night all this is lit up. And the pictures I've seen, it's absolutely gorgeous. If you get a chance to see it at night, go take a look. Tell me how it is. One day I'm hoping to get back. This was our second trip to the ABCs, but this was our first time going to Curaçao. We'd been to Bonaire a couple times and Aruba a couple times. Now we're going to kind of, knees to chest it and get across here as fast as possible over to Willemstad. So look down at one of the pontoons. Once you get over to this side of the bridge, and it was like there's a lot of shopping that you can go do. Like all along the main boulevard, along the water is shops. We went a couple of blocks away to just kind of walk around and check out everything. And this is more not your bigger souvenir shops or a lot of your chain stuff. A couple blocks off, it's more your local shops, your locally owned, local artisan type shops. Except for Omega. And there's breweries, there's liquor stores, shoe stores, jewelry stores, souvenirs, clothes. There's cool little things like this that if you're paying attention in some of the alleyways as you're walking by, you'll see some really cool sculpture work. But like if you're on the other side of the street, it's like you never would have seen it. Here's the train, here's like the trolley, the tour train that you can hop on to take a ride around Willemstad. And now we're at the Curaçao sign, which is this way. I did the distance too, so from where the ship was docked to here, 16-minute walk. It goes by really quick, and since you come across the bridge, it's really pretty. And the Ducci sign. This is like the main courtyard for like the downtown area of Willemstad. And if you want to pause it to read the sign about the statue here, you are now free to pause about the country. It was really pretty work, and the map that they had on there was showing what stores and places had sponsored sections of the statue for the artwork. And here is the Fort Church. So Curaçao was a really great place. Next time I go back, I want to try a different beach and snorkel location. Yeah, I wish I would have been recording when the bells played more. But I liked Curaçao. It was a great place. Highly recommend stopping there and getting off the boat and messing and checking some things out. So if you like cruising and stuff, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for coming by the Crossroads, and I'll see you out on your travels. Bye.